Hey, welcome back to Futures Chart Academy. I'm Trader Don. Let's take a look at the MNQ futures price action overnight and the first 90 minutes of the New York session for today, Friday, August 7th. We opened up with the futures yesterday afternoon or early evening, depending on where you are in the United States. Drew my purple go box around there, and early on we could see in the Asian session we're probably going to be taking longs, but then over here pre-London session it looks like, oh my gosh, we might be breaking down. And then finally into the London session, I got confirmation that we probably take longs today. And then right in here, as you know, we had the jobs report right in here. And when the jobs report hit pre-New York market, I put a high on the chart yesterday. You can check out the video in the upper right-hand corner for the levels of interest. I put a high of 29790, and we did hit that in the pre-market right there. We have an overnight high of around 29867.25 that has not been taken out. We took out yesterday's high of day, came back down into the purple box for the New York session and just shot right back up. Usually what we're probably going to get for the rest of the day is chop. We're probably going to say somewhere in this area. Let's zoom in a little bit here and you can see what's left in the day. Here's what's left in the day on the 5-minute chart. You know, we could come back up to the adjusted high of 29916. We're not sure if it's going to go there. We could come back down, hit this purple box again. You never know. Come down to the close or even the Friday low. I don't think so. We'll probably be staying above here, but we could buck down to the purple box again. But by the end of the day, I'm going to guess we're going to stay in this range right in here. Maybe we touch this Friday high again of 29790. Maybe we come up a little bit into the 800s. And we're probably going to finish the day probably somewhere close to where we're at exactly right here. So that is the review of the MNQ futures chart for the first 90 minutes of the New York session. I'm Trader Don. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, put a comment down below, like it and share it, and we will see you in the next one, which will probably be the weekend wrap-up. We'll take a look at the charts for the week and see how our levels did. Thanks for watching. I'm Trader Don.